Welcome. In this video, we're diving into the world of teaching styles and how you can implement them effectively in your classroom. Teaching styles are the methods and philosophies educators use to engage students, manage the classroom, and deliver instructional content. We'll explore four main styles: authority or lecture, demonstrator or coach, facilitator or activity, and delegator or group style. Understanding these styles is crucial. They help you tailor your approach to different subjects and student needs, maximizing learning outcomes for everyone. Let's start with the authority or lecture style, one of the most traditional forms of teaching. This style is best for large classes or when introducing complex, information-heavy material, where the goal is direct, one-way knowledge transfer. To keep lectures effective, use clear visuals, break up long sessions with short activities, and encourage quick Q&A sessions to maintain engagement. Next up is the demonstrator or coach style, which shifts the focus to practical application. This style is perfect for subjects requiring hands-on learning, like science labs or vocational training, where the teacher demonstrates and then guides practice. Provide immediate, constructive feedback during practice. Encourage repeated attempts and scaffold the learning process until students achieve mastery. The facilitator or activity style focuses on student-centered learning through interaction. Use this style for promoting critical thinking, group discussions, and complex problem solving. The teacher acts as a guide, not the primary source of information. Effectively facilitating means asking open-ended questions, encouraging peer interaction, and intervening only to keep the learning on track, letting students lead the discovery. Finally, we have the delegator or group style, emphasizing high student autonomy. This style is excellent for advanced projects, research, and fostering collaboration, where students take significant ownership of their learning process. Set clear learning objectives and project milestones. Your role is to monitor progress, provide necessary resources, and offer support when requested. The most effective teaching often lies in blended learning, combining the strengths of different styles. Mix and match styles based on the subject complexity, student age, and specific learning goals. For example, lecture to introduce, then coach for practice. Experiment with these styles to find what works best for you and your students. Embrace versatility and enjoy the journey of effective teaching.